Namaste, Hamisha Khusro here. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's section of legal procedure, we will discuss about courts. In India, there are basically four courts, three courts, Supreme Court, High Courts, and Session Courts, and Magistrates Court. Magistrates in courts are Chief Judicial Magistrate, Judicial Magistrate of First Class, Judicial Magistrate of Second Class, and Executive Magistrate. Sentence authorized by laws are death sentence, life imprisonment, imprisonment that can be rigorous, simple, or solitary, forfeiture of property, fine, training and rehabilitation of young offenders. Criminal Courts of India. Supreme Court, which is situated in New Delhi and can pass any sentence, usually considers appeals from lower courts. High Court, which is situated at capitals of a state, he can try any offence and pass any sentence. Session courts, usually situated at district headquarters, can try only offences committed to it by magistrate, can pass any sentence, death sentence to be confirmed by High Court. Magistrates Court, where Chief Judge Magistrate or Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, which is situated in Taluk or subdivision of district, and it can pass a sentence of imprisonment up to 7 years and fine without limit. First class judge magistrate, he can pass a sentence of imprisonment up to 3 years and fine up to 5,000 rupees. A second class judge can pass imprisonment up to 1 year, fine up to 1,000 rupees. Executive magistrate, situated in district or taluk or subdivision of district, these are non-judicial appointed by High Court. Deputy Commissioner, Collector or Tehsildar conducts magistrates inquest, can pass an order under Section 144 CRPC. Proceeding in courts. Subpoena, oath of affirmation, recording of evidence or proof, decision of judge or courts, and execution of court orders. Subpoena or summons. It is a document commanding the attendance of a witness in a court of law under a penalty if not obeyed. It is issued by the court in writing and signed by the presiding magistrate. It is issued for a specific date and time. It is served by a police officer or an officer of the court, and it is sent in duplicate. A summons must be implicitly obeyed unless there are valid and urgent reasons. If the summoned witness fails to attend the court, he is punished for guilty for contempt of court. There is priority of attendance if cases on the same day. If there are two cases on the same day, then criminal courts have precedence over civil courts. Higher courts get preference over lower courts. The court which served the summons first receives preference. Failure to obey summons in civil cases, there is penalty, and in criminal cases it can be imprisonment or warrant of arrest and compulsory attendance. Conduct money. In civil cases, a fee is tendered to cover the expense of the witness to attend court at the time when the summons is served, paid by the party that has called the witness. In criminal cases, no conduct money, but court has made provision to pay reasonable expenses to witness. Witness. A witness is a person who gives a statement or testimony under oath or solemn confirmation in the court of law. A witness can be common or expert. Expert witness can be chemical examiner, fingerprint expert, ballistic expert, forensic expert, or doctor. Evidence. Evidence means any statement in relation to a matter of fact under inquiry or a document or something for the inspection of the court. It can be oral evidence or documentary evidence. Oral evidence is the evidence of a person who says he saw, heard, or perceived it in other words. Documentary evidence: any document produced for the inspection of the court in relation to the matter of fact under inquiry. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.